Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your WeChat account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your WeChat application, and I hope you have signed up and logged in into it. But if you haven't already signed up or logged in into your WeChat, I have made previous videos on how to do that, so go ahead and watch those and come back to this. Now simply you want to go ahead and tap on the me icon on the bottom right of your screen, and finally go ahead and tap on settings right over here, and then you want to go ahead and tap on account security on top, and then over here you want to tap on WeChat security center. So finally over here a menu will pop up where, as you can see, there's account recovery, stuff like that, and on the bottom, as you can see, there is a option which says account cancellation, and it says submit an application, delete all data and permanently cancel the WeChat account. You can go ahead and tap on that, scroll all the way down and tap on request cancellation, and your account will be deleted permanently in a couple of days. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.